Okay guys, this is insane news, but right now this is a reservation system that we've been waiting for. Literally, I've been staying up since 12:01 a.m. It is now currently 9:22 and we finally get this reservation system. My friend actually hooked me up with this video. This is how it works. So you go click that button, then you want to reserve according to your ticket. So you enter your ticket number, then here you have to enter your last name and your email. Make sure the email is correct, because that's the one you're going to be using for your ticket. Your ticket's going to get sent to that email. So going back, this is the main page again. You enter your barcode from there. Okay, so you add it, and you can make not as many reservations. You can only make one per day, but you can add at least like 2 to 3 tickets. So then from there, you make your reservation, you enter your ticket, then you select the date. It'll tell you if it's at capacity according to that legend on the bottom. You continue, and then you press checkout, making sure that everything's correct. But we're going to look at the dates real quick to see what the dates are like for the Universal days. So far, they only have it to May. I don't know if that's basically based on your pass, but that's what it shows for the dates right there. So there are certain days where we can't go, but most of them are available. So continuing on, he's going to select a date. Then you add it to your cart, but it's going to be considered $0. So you go to checkout. And this is using, I'll put the link in the description of how to get it. But yeah, this is when you put your last name and your email in to make sure that, everything is matched. But yeah, so you put name, first, last name, and then you put your email. Your email, the email you put in there is going to be the one sent. That's going to be where your tickets are sent to. So you want to make sure that's correct. And then you submit your order, and then there you go. You just get your confirmation receipt. You go in your email. It'll tell you that, what it is, where your ticket is. There will be a QR code on the bottom. It's going to be attached to this PDF. So don't freak out if you don't see it. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom of your email. There'll be a little PDF, but that's how you get your reservation for Universal. Another thing I forgot to mention is, as of now, for me, the link isn't working on my computer. So if it doesn't work for your computer or any like laptop or not anything that's not a phone, use your phone first on this video. So just go on this video again and then go to the description and open the link with your phone, because that's what seems to work the best. But I did I did do it with my phone. That's how it works for me. But on the computer, it doesn't work as good. That was from somebody else's screen, which I got me footage for it. But yeah, that's how you use the Universal Pass. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment what you want me to do next if you have any questions, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that post notification bell so you get all new updates on theme parks like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.